Yo, excuse me, man. What do you do for a living?
It's complicated. Honestly, probably better I just show you.
Wait, what do you mean? What is it? Whoa, what?
Welcome to Crunchlabs. All right, here it is.
Dude, this is crazy, dude.
There's a lot hidden behind that bookshelf.
It's massive.
Let's start upstairs. Starting up here, we've got chopsticks. What makes chopsticks special? She's a talking piano.
Whoa.
They have chopsticks.
Dude, what? I love it. Oh, what? Dude.
He plays piano much better than I do. It does like a Fourier transform of your voice and figures out all the right frequencies and then just plays them and like modulates on a piano. That's a signed Adam Savage Mythbusters blueprint.
Oh, we just filmed with him.
We got two 3D printed chairs here.
Whoa.
You just sitting here. I'm warning you, it's a little trippy. You do this. It's almost impossible to tip over in them. Okay, this, remember the boring old office?
Yes.
Go back down there and push Crunch Cola.
Okay. So push this.
G.
Bro. What? I go in. I'm going in. Oh, no way.
What's up? Yeah. Are you good at Street Fighter?
No.
Okay.
Actually, no, I'm the best.
I'm undefeated, so.
I'm a third place world champion.
Third?
Yeah, third.
I'm first. Okay.
Oh, whoa. Oh!
Oh, wow, look at you! You button smasher! Oh, double KO!
Did I win?
Oh, this is rigged. I'm not normally Blanca. We've got our Nerf armory. This is useful when employees aren't working hard, like Nate over there.
Back to work.
Faster, Nate! We run here! Oh, no.
HR must go crazy.
Yeah. Well, my favorite part about the second floor is actually how you get down from the second floor. This is what we call the fireman's piston. You know how there's fireman's pulls? They're always super lame, though, because you, like, squeak down.
Yeah.
You either go too fast or too slow. So using the power of pneumatics and a little bit of gravity, you just put your hand here.
Whoa.
You step off like a superhero.
Whoa. Okay.
So much faster than the stairs.
Yes. I mean, do you use it all the time?
All the time.
All the time.
There's a few things around here I can't show you because they're top secret builds that we're working on. This, though, is the bathroom where you will find 7 Guinness World Records on the wall, but more importantly, if you leave the toilet seat up, it actually locks you in.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. It encourages good hygiene of, doing the right, respectful thing.
Of course.
You have to have the toilet seat down to escape, but also, if you flush the toilet and then don't touch the sink, basically you don't wash your hands, and then you open the door, well, then the light flashes.
Oh my gosh.
And at that point, the most you're getting from me is a fist bump. No handshakes if I see that light goes off.
The employee cleanliness here is on top.
There's remnants of videos all over here. This is frozen lava, also known as rocks. This is top secret. I'll release this video about when this comes out.
Ooh, okay.
But it's a puzzle robot that can solve like a 3,000 piece all-white puzzle.
Oh.
About 100 times faster than the fastest puzzle solver in the world.
Oh my god.
Robots.
How do you come up with these? Like, you just like sit down and you're like, hey, I want to do this.
Yeah. A lot of times it's like I suck at making X, but I'm good at engineering.
Okay.
So technically I'm really good at X. Whether that's dart throwing, whether that's bowling, whether that's kicking field goals, maybe setting up dominoes, beating arcade games, or heck, even protecting packages from your porch with a little bit of glitter bomb and fart spray. Speaking of which, here's the fart spray we use in the glitter bombs.
With Macaulay Culkin?
Yeah, do you want to smell it?
Yeah, I guess I should.
Okay.
Not really, but yes.
We have to go outside to smell this.
Okay.
If you're not sure if you've smelled it or not, you have not smelled it.
Oh my god.
Actually, go on that side. Did you get a good sniff? I apologize.
No, it's funny. That's good.
It stays in the nostrils.
Yeah.
This is my actual workbench that was at my house in my backyard for so many years where I built so many of these things.
Yeah.
And then we just moved it in here.
Oh. They just hand these out to everyone, right?
Diamond play button.
What is this, 10 million views?
10 million. 10 million subscribers.
This is heavier than I thought it would be.
You know what's also heavier than you thought? This.
Tungsten.
Just a chunk of tungsten.
Oh my god.
Isn't that so great?
That's crazy, what?
Right here, of course.
Oh.
You've got
You're a bad man for having this.
an Elon Musk flamethrower.
I love it. Oh, it works? Oh. Whoa!
This whole room is the main arena, where you can see we have our pickleball court on the ground.
Yeah.
But more importantly, we have the tennis ball cannon from American Gladiators up there.
Oh.
And We no longer shoot it at full power.
Oh, no way.
Because this is what happens when you shoot it at full power. So here's the deal. You have as many practice shots as you want to get the tennis ball in that hole over there on that bullseye. If you get it in the bullseye, you get that $10,000. The only catch is you get one official shot in your lifetime.
What?
So if you sign this wall here you got, we got Mr. Beast.
That's a lot of misses.
We got, actually 3 people have done it.
Really?
Yes. So what do you think? You want to take a shot?
I want to, yeah.
Okay, sign the wall.
It's easy though. It's a dub. Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got.
Easy dub. I got it, no problem.
Easy dub. Let's see it.
It's very easy.
I'd aim a little lower.
Okay. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're tricking me.
A little higher.
Yeah?
It's my money to lose, so I don't know that you should trust me, but.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It's rigged.
That's okay.
It's rigged.
Hey, look, next life, you have another shot.
Yeah, it's rigged.
And over here, there's another secret door
What is this?
where if you, you just hit it. It literally says do not push, but actually, you're allowed to push because that turns on the lights to the secret museum.
You know people are gonna push it. You know.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's true.
you trickster.
So in here, it's kind of come with some of the old school builds.
The
So
OG.
the OG. So this is an automatic bullseye dartboard. The world's largest Nerf gun. That's one of the Guinness World Records.
Dude, what?
All of the glitter bombs from Glitter Bomb 1.0
Whoa.
all the way down to 5.0. This was my first ever video where you had like 2 iPads, one on the front, one on the back. That's back when I was working at NASA. I came up with this, and that 2-minute decision to like film that and put that on the internet, like obviously changed my life.
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, wow.
World's largest super soaker. This is the Dominator. It sets up the room full of dominoes and like, I think it's like 50 times faster than a human.
Whoa.
Ray Finkel, world's longest field goal kicking robot. This right here is a rocket powered golf club. This is the exploding can of beans from Lava versus Laser. This is a fun one I took on Jimmy Kimmel once, showing some cool pranks. If you take this and then duct tape it to the back of like your mom's car, right in front of the backup camera, then when she puts it in reverse, she sees Freddy Krueger really big, right in the car. And of course she goes out to check and he's not there, and then she gets back in.
Oh, that's so good.
Or this is a, we hid this mechanism inside of a lunchbox in these scam call centers in India. We tracked them down where they worked and everything. These are all the scammers that like scam your grandma.
Yeah.
And then in here we had like 100 cockroaches with a time delay.
Oh, yeah,
And so we had like smoke bombs, glitter bombs. After a time delay, this ball screw goes and then it pushes all the cockroaches out this door.
Whoa.
And then they're all over the call center. We found 3 scam call centers that do like $20 million a year each. They've been in operation for a decade. We got all 3 shut down.
Dude, legendary.
Thanks to the power of a spotlight. Another secret door right here. This room is cool because this is where we design all the Crunchlabs build boxes. This is honestly my favorite room in the whole lab. These are very talented product designers.
Yeah.
So this is where we do build box. So this is for kids, teaching them to think like an engineer. It's a really fun buildable toy that comes to your house. And then for teenagers and adult, we've got Hack Pack, which is like a programmable robot. We just launched it. So this right here is a card dealing machine. So it automatically deals cards, but there's a secret feature where you can mark all the aces, and then it reads that, and then when you're playing cards, it gives you all the aces.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you can build this, actually?
That's right. So it comes to you in this box, you build it, but then you could like program it. Or this
Kill the camera,
is a little desktop turret. So you build this, it works right out of the box. But what's cool is you could hack the microcontroller, so then you could totally reprogram for how it works.
Oh, whoa.
So
Okay.
it's sort of the carrot versus the stick approach to learning to code and like
Whoa.
thinking like an engineer. Coming in here, I mean, you just find things like squirrel hands.
Yeah, what?
And whatever this is. It's always such a delightful path through this room. And then we got like a mini soundstage here.
Dude, this is
So,
sick, dude.
This is the set of Camp Crunchlabs, least boring summer of your life. That's a Mark Rover guarantee, because they're just weekly videos. It's like a science summer camp.
So cool.
Where kids could watch it, build the boxes, we do big experiments, they do at-home challenges. It's pretty fun.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Am I too old to do
We
it?
even got a tree house. Nah, you're not too old.
Okay. But the summer camp, I'd probably get arrested if I showed up to.
So yeah, that's basically the tour. Thanks for coming out.
Dude, thanks for having me, man. This is awesome.
All right.
Cool. How do I get out of here?
Oh, you'll figure it out. Just, yeah, that looks about right. The eagle! Twist the eagle!
Oh, what? Wait, which one? Which one?
It's the Eagle!
Wait, we left Devin in there.